Hello everyone, it's me JB from Uninstall. Today in this video I will show you how to hide any software from the uninstall list in Windows computer. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. So once you log into this website, just scroll down below and you can see here direct download. Just click on it. So you can see here a file is being downloaded. So we'll just locate the folder where it has been saved. So we'll just close this. Now what you need to do is just unzip it or extract it. Now you can see a folder name HideUL. Just open this folder, so you'll get to see two files. So a good thing is that you don't need to install this software. You can directly run the software. So just double left click it to run this software. Click on yes. Now you can see here the user interface of these applications. So when you click on this recycle bin icon, just enable this to open the program list, that is from where you used to uninstall applications. So you can see here lots of applications, even the similar applications. Say I want to hide this software named as game. As you can see here, this game. So what I will do here on the right side, on this hide from uninstall list applications, I will just search a game. Just what you need to do is, you can see here it's showing a tick mark. Just you untick it. Voila, the game software is being hidden in from the uninstall list. So you can see here on the left side the game is hidden now. It's not removed, it's just hidden. So if I tick it again on the hide from uninstall list software, then it will be visible again in the uninstall list of your programs and features, as you can see here on the left side game. So in this way you can hide any installed softwares from the uninstall list using this very tiny application, but useful applications for you if you don't want someone to uninstall your respective applications from your Windows computer. Then this application will be very useful for you. So if you never known about these cool applications, then try it out today. I'm sure it will be useful for those people who are in need of such applications to hide any installed softwares from the uninstall list. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.